everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to talk about copying an object. Alright, today we're going to use a list as an example. So first off, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Let's make sure we're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So alright, we're putting a list into memory. We call the list. So now we're going to say that y equals x. So now I want to show something to you. Is this the same object? Is this the same location in memory? So if I were to change index 0, did I change index 0 of y? And I want to show you. So, alright, so I changed x. Did I change y? Yes, because I did not create a second list. It is the same list in memory. And I want you to see this. True. It's the exact same item. And I'll prove it to you. We're going to do the ID on both of them. It is the exact same. All I was doing was I'm pointing to this location in memory, and all I'm doing is associating a second variable to the same location. As you can see here, it's the exact same thing. So let's go back. Let's put this into memory. Now I'm going to show you two ways to make a copy, because list has a built-in copy method. So I could use x.copy as you can see, different. Or let's do z, and I could use my slicing. Oops. And sorry guys, x colon ID equals z. And as you can see, this is, here, let's just stack them all. X and ID y. These are all different. So this is the way you actually make a copy of a list, and you have two different ways to use it: built-in method copy, or slice with the slicing method. So I thought this would be a good time to start talking about these things, because we are slowly getting more advanced and advanced and advanced, and I just can't tell you guys thank you enough. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. You guys have been doing an absolutely awesome job keeping me on my toes, filling in those gaps. So thank you as always, and please stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.